Hi, my name's Lockie. I'm from Perth, Western Australia. And in 2013, I had the absolute privilege of going to the LEAP Foundation program, um, which is at UCLA in America, which was absolutely awesome. Every aspect of LEAP was absolutely fantastic. The stuff they taught you was so relatable, and it's been so helpful for me coming back to Perth and coming back into school. It's really helped me in everyday life. I mean, it's given me experience, whether it's applying and having the experience of actually interviewing, whether it's gaining the independence of actually going over to America and staying there, which was pretty awesome. And even the stuff that they teach you, for example, like the people profiling, um, the disking system which they use, it's been really handy for me because I've been able to build better relationships with my teachers, with my friends, with my family, and this has been really really awesome. And I think that I'll be able to use it later on when I actually try go and achieve a successful career. Another great thing about Leap is it kind of showed me the bigger picture and like what I want to be doing. And along with this, it's kind of shown me how to get there. So I write down my goals now daily and I review them along with my values. And so this has kind of shown me, what I want to be doing, how I want to be doing it. But then Leap has shown me how to get there, whether it's networking, whether it's just building relationships or getting better grades. Leap has just been so fantastic for this side of, getting better success. So I recommend it to anyone. I've only got 5 seconds left. Please go. It'll be awesome. Thank you.